Hear it? Feel it? The roar. Monstrous machines awaken, devouring wood with breathtaking speed. This is where power meets performance. Don't miss out. Approximately 168 characters. Meet the Petzolato PTH-1000/1000E, a stationary chipper powered by a clean 335 horsepower electric engine, ensuring efficient operation with zero on-site emissions. Got big timber? Bring it on! This chipper handles logs up to nearly 18 inches thick through its wide 39 inches by 24 inches throat opening. Strong. Inside, a colossal 39-inch diameter, 39-inch wide drum, armed with 3 razor-sharp knives ready to shred anything in its path. With an output of roughly 235 to 262 cubic yards per hour, its power is clear. But high productivity brings risks. Stay vigilant, as inattention can be disastrous. Seriously, wood chips are the unsung heroes. They kickstart the whole MDF-HDF magic. They carefully select plantation timber, chip it perfectly using top-notch tech, then give it a spa day at 338 degrees Fahrenheit. After refining into fibers and mixing with super strong resin, they become these incredible uniform panels. Think awesome furniture, sleek cabinets, cool decorative stuff. All thanks to starting with precisely prepared high-quality wood chips. It's genius. Hey folks, check out the Diamond 60-inch forestry head for your skid steer. It uses a cool inertia disc, not the usual drum, making cutting and mulching way more efficient. Give yourself an hour or two to get the hang of it. Key moves: cut and feed, small trees. Bottom grind, big trunks. Ground pull, debris. Stick to the left side for cutting, right side for mulching. Pro tip: avoid the center front for felling, and remember stump grinding adds. Wear: a final pass cleans things up for efficient clearing. Forget the axe and maul. This excavator setup is next level for firewood. Imagine turning 16-foot logs into usable pieces that easily. Definitely beats spending days splitting it all manually. The worm gear makes sense for safety, but wouldn't that slow down the feed rate considerably? Wondering if there are other ways to dampen that surge, maybe a hydraulic accumulator or a different clutch system? What do y'all think? Looking for a heavy-duty wood chipper? Look no further than the Petzolato PTH1200/1000M. This machine packs a punch with its 1,150 horsepower Caterpillar C27 autonomous engine. It can handle logs up to 31.5 inches in diameter with its generous 47.24 by 43.31 inch in-feed opening. Get ready for some serious output, up to 8,828 cubic feet per hour. The robust design features a 39.37 inch diameter and 47.24 inch wide drum, paired with a 47.24 inch wide and 86.61 inch long feeding chain. This chipper is built to last and perform. That looks efficient, but also kind of terrifying. The warning about gloves getting caught and pulling your hand in? Big yikes. You'd need serious safety guards and laser focus to run this thing. Definitely not a toy. Safety first, folks, especially around those rollers. Adding this beastly stump grinder auger to my Bobcat wish list right now. Anyone know where to find this tree that seems to be sprouting steel chainsaws? Curious how long it takes to get a decent yield. You know that saying about men just being big kids? Yeah, totally true. Only difference is their toys get way fancier as they grow up. And honestly, if I had to choose how to spend a day, doing this wouldn't be half bad. This train engine? It's like someone's childhood dream totally came true. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of jealous of those guys. Once, these cross ties carried the weight of locomotives, their wooden frames soaked in history. Now, they meet their final journey, through roaring blades and crushing jaws, reborn as fuel. Tie energy doesn't just recycle, they rewrite the fate of forgotten giants. Whoa, the scale here is insane. Just mountains of chips getting dumped. Seriously impressive power. But like, where is all this wood going? What's the end product?
There you go, that's Kevin. No sense in doing anything.
I've always driven past logging operations and wondered exactly how they get the bark off so cleanly. This video finally clears it up. Super satisfying to watch the process unfold. Thanks for sharing this cool look behind the scenes, Joe. Man, that 1270G paired with the H425 head? Pretty slick combo. What's cool is how little wood it wastes, like under 5%. Most other machines leave behind way more, maybe 10 or 15%. So with this setup, you're really getting the most out of every single tree. It's not just about efficiency though. It means we're logging smarter, taking care of the forest for the long haul while still getting the timber we need. Good for business and the woods. Looky here. This old CH885, they call it the cone head, only packing 700 ponies. But don't let that fool you. She slices through wood smooth as butter because of that special drum. Them rollers pull everything in, don't matter if it's crooked. However, the operators are overloading, ignoring signs of strain. Continuous feeding under these conditions is risky, despite the machine's inherent capability. Finally, a chipper that might actually fit in my garage? That Crytek 4-incher seems hungry. Does it ask for seconds after finishing those conifers? Seriously though, looks like solid performance for the size. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. almost painful to watch, right? This piece of wood just spins and spins, then gets wedged tight under the cone. They jumped in and thought they had it fixed, but nope, the dang thing is still spinning. They're scratching their heads over there. Anyone know what else to try? Huh, guess that's one way to get a truck unloaded. This guy's got it handled all by himself without even leaving the driver's seat. Wow, just watch this video of the Comtech AXTOR 8012. This thing is an absolute beast, rocking a 770 horsepower Cat C18 engine, and it runs on diesel. You know it's quality being German-made. The way it uses hydraulics to just power through material is seriously impressive. It's definitely a high-end machine. Truly awesome piece of industrial equipment. Getting this root ball out really shows why we gotta have a solid plan and handle it just right. You're up against stuff you can't predict, with potential dangers popping up all over. That's where your know-how is crucial.
That was great.
You ever get totally stuck trying to split some serious wood? It's the worst. Check out these wood devil cone splitters. They're kind of genius. Picture this cone, right? But it spins and has this special double threading that just bites in. It basically screws itself into the absolute toughest logs and busts them wide open. Super satisfying to watch. Doesn't matter if it's for your own property or big-time logging, they've got a model. Plus, they even attach to excavators. Pretty slick how they combine raw strength with smart thinking. The sawdust settles? For now. Witness the fury? There's more where that came from. Bigger timber, meaner machines await. Hit subscribe, brace yourself for the next round of pure power.